Okay, triangle SKA has the following coordinates, so let's graph them. Okay, we're going to graph -8, -5, -8, -8, and then -3, -8. So we have a right triangle, don't we? Okay, now then we're going to reflect it across y equal -1, which is right here. And then we're going to reflect it across x equal 1, which is right here in it. Okay, so we're reflecting it up, then we're reflecting it over, right? Okay, so let's write down our order pairs. We have -8, -5. We have -8, -8, and we have -3, -8. The first thing we're going to do is reflect it across y equal -1. Okay, now then look right here. Here's our y equal -1. The x's won't change. How far is -5 from -1? So we're reflecting this point. -5 to -1 is 4 away in it. So we're going to add 4 to -1 and end up at 3, aren't we? So it's 4 away here. We're going to reflect it up and we'll end up at 3, won't we? So this would be what? -8, 3? How far is -8 from -1? -8 from -1 is 7. So we're going to go 7 more units up, and we would end up at the 6, wouldn't we? So this is going to switch to -8, 6 in it. See what I'm doing? -8 to -1 is 7. Then -1 plus 7 is 6. Okay, we're going to go to here at this one. How far is -8 from -1? It's 7 in it. So this is going to reflect 7 units up from -1 and end up at -3, 6, or 6, which will be right here. Notice the edge lengths did not change, did they? So we could have graphed one point and then redrew the triangle, okay? Now then we're going to reflect it across x equals 1, right? So now we're going to use our x's. How far is -8 from 1? -8 from 1 is 9, isn't it? So we're going to add 9 more units this way. What's 9 plus 1? So -8 to 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10, isn't it? So this will be 10, 3. So over 10, up 3. So this dot is going to go to here, then flip across. It'll end at 10, 3. Now then this line is 2 up, right? So if we go 2 up or 3 up, we'll end up right here. So this dot will reflect over here, which would be 10, 6, would it? Okay, and then lastly, this dot from here, from -3 to 1 is 4 in it, right? So if you add 1 to 4, you're going to get 5, 6. So this one will end up at 5, 6. This line right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It matches up, doesn't it? Okay, so we flipped it to here, and then we reflected it over here, didn't we? So that's where it ends up. These dots go here. 10, 3, 10, 6, and 5, 6.